guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I am back. I took a little bit of a break, then I went over to Florida. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you need to be following me because that's where I share all the pictures and everything that we did on like Insta story and stuff like that. So you definitely need to be following me there. But I'm super excited because today I'm trying out products, new products to me. We're just doing a getting ready with me and we're trying out some new products, including some drugstore products, some higher end, and we're doing this makeup look right here, which I actually really like how it looks. And I just have my natural lashes, just a mascara look today, and I really like how it looks. So I hope that you really enjoy it. I've missed you. Tell me down in the comments, what have you been doing? It's spring break. Are you doing anything for spring break? Are you hating life because your kids are home for spring break? Let me know down below. I went to Florida. I went to Destin, Florida, which they call it the Emerald Coast. It is so beautiful. I've been posting some pictures over on Instagram and I've been loving it. And I'm sad to be back because it's been rainy for the past like 4 days and it's like 48 degrees. So it's a little bit sucky here in Rhode Island, but hopefully it'll get warmer, it'll get better. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I do upload every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, join the family. It's fun here and I'm excited for videos to come. Trust me, you want to be following me. But let's just get on started. Okay, my brows are done. I might have to touch them up a little bit, but let's start with the eyes. I'm trying out the new Luster palette from Alter Ego. Looks like this. If you don't know about Alter Ego, what are you thinking? Look at these colors, absolutely gorgeous. But I did a whole video trying out Alter Ego with you guys. I'll link that video up in the iCard so you can check it out. But I have their new palette and I also have an eyeshadow base from them as well that we're gonna try out amongst other things. It's been a hot minute since I've actually done like a actual like glam look, but I'm feeling very glam today. So here we go. This is the eyeshadow palette and how it looks. Very, very beautiful. I'm going to go in with the shade Mystic, which is right here. It's a mauve color. I think this will work very good today. I'm putting that into the crease. Whoa. This is the first time that I'm trying this palette, so we shall see. Like I said before, if you haven't seen that video where I share Alter Ego, you definitely need to check it out. But there's a few palettes like the Canyon palette. They were all very, very pigmented, really nice. So I was super excited when I saw that they released this to try it out because they're really affordable. They have some of my favorite lashes ever are Alter Ego lashes. Some of my most asked about lashes, Alter Ego. Although today I think I'm gonna go with just my natural lashes because I have been growing them out with a Lash Serum. And so I'm gonna try a new mascara. Okay, so I'm popping this in the outer corner here. There's some pretty colors. This Magnific color is really, really pretty. So I'm going to get into this color right here, Rare, which is their other matte shade, which is like a teddy bear brown. I'm going to get into that. Put that here in the outer part. Okay, so I'm going in with this color. I'll start with a brush and see what happens. Like a beautiful like taupey color. Oh, it's beautiful. And this is without wetting my brush. It just looks gorgeous. This is pretty. I'm getting into Sacred right here because this is absolutely stunning. And I'm just putting that, whoa, this is really pretty. In this inner part right here. Ooh, that's nice. It's like the glitter just comes out when I don't spray my brush. It like lightens that inner part. All right, I'm gonna spray my brush. this Milk Pigment chalk. Very beautiful color. I'm just putting a little bit under the brow. And I think I'm gonna try this as a highlighter. I think you can use this as a highlighter, basically anything that you want. Okay, so now that I put that milk chalk in the inner corner, we can now start on the face, and then I'll do my lashes. So I'm gonna be trying the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is very new to me, and I've been dying. This is one of those products that I've just been personally just dying to try because it just caught my eye. I love that idea. I took it with me to Florida, and I've tried it a couple of times, and it's amazing. I am in love with it. The way that I have been trying it, surprisingly, is with the AOA Clean Slate Primer, which is like $1, $2, but it's so amazing. It makes my skin look so smooth. So that's how I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so the thing with this is it's super, super glowy, and which I love. I think it's a fabulous idea for the summertime. And it does make my skin look so freaking poppin'. So I'm gonna put this on. I am the shade 4 medium. So I'm gonna put this on. I am gonna start having videos up every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The NARS, what is this? The NARS Creamy Soft Matte Concealer on underneath my eyes. Another concealer I took with me to Florida, and man, I was so thankful because this concealer is so good. It's just an amazing concealer. Freaking love it. I have 2 bronzers, the Essence Pre-Nude Sun Lighter in Be My Sunlight, which looks like this, which I heard is really, really good. And then I have the Catrice Sungasm Luminizing Bronzer in Golden Ecstasy. Looks like this. I think this is the one I want to try, but I'm first going to make sure that I contour. So I'll go ahead and use the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder and use these 2 lightest shades. I've actually been really enjoying it, and I have been picking them over other things. And so I'm going to contour lightly. Then I'm going to go in with this Catrice. I don't remember who was talking about this. There was a YouTuber that I was watching that was talking about this. I don't quite remember who it was. And I was like, ooh, I gotta try that. I want to go in with this blush. This here is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine and the Real Techniques brush here. Put a little bit of that on. I always say a little bit, but I'm like I wear a lot of blush. That's just because blush fades so quickly. Wow. In the screen, I look like a crazies, but I do wear a lot of blush and I like it, so. All right, let's go in with this crayon here. I'm just gonna crayon it on my face. Not crayon, this chalk. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pretty. Ooh, used the wrong one. What do you guys think? I'm gonna use this Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I've only used that one a couple times. I got it in a BoxyCharm, so I don't know fully like what I think about it, but I mean, I think it's nice. Okay. Next are these. I've actually been using the Grande Cosmetics eyelash serum, and it works. It works. It really does work. So I ended up grabbing the Grande Primer Pre-Mascara Lengthener and Thickener and the Grande Mascara Conditioning Peptide Mascara. I thought we would just try this. The serum does work though, guys. The serum works. And I've only been using it for a month, and my lashes are 2 times longer than they were before. So I can only imagine as I continue to use it, like how long they're gonna get. And it's just, it's very, very exciting. Ooh, this is really pretty. They're gold packaging. So let's curl my lashes. Curl these babies. Lately, the mascara I have been obsessed with, which I hate to follow what everyone else does, but man, this new e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara is so good. And e.l.f. has been trying to push mascaras since the beginning of time, and their mascaras have just been horrid. That's like the least thing I would ever recommend anyone. But this one, it's a miracle. They figured it out. They figured out the magic formula for good lashes. So I'm super impressed. All right. Let's put on this primer. I actually do enjoy eyelash primers. Just looking at my lashes right now, my lashes are so freaking long. It's ridiculous. You guys will see. I mean, I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos. There's a reason that I don't usually I always wear lashes, because my lashes are terrible, but they're not so terrible now. Let's see what this says. A water-resistant Italian-made mascara that's not only provides volume and length, but is infused with a blend of oil conditioning peptides to promote healthier-looking lashes. Let's put on this mascara. Wow, I really like this look. I love my base. I love how my face looks. I love like the mascara. I love the like eyeshadows, the color. It's really sultry and really beautiful. So I'm totally digging this right now. All right, guys, I want you guys to tell me honestly, because I know the Fenty Apple, or that Apple foundation or whatever, the Balm foundation, has been going around everywhere and everyone is obsessed with it. Do you think I should do a review on it? I mean, you guys know I'll be 100% honest with you guys, but tell me if you guys want to see that video. Comment below, because I'm honestly curious. You guys know I'm honestly curious. I have dry skin, so I want to know like what's going on with that, but it's hard because everyone's doing it. This is from Essence, and it's the color This Is Nude. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. What does this smell like? This smells like something from my childhood. What is it? Is it how the Balm lipsticks used to smell? I don't know what it is, but it smells like candy. It smells really good. Oh, that's what it smells like. What is that candy called that's like the candy that you chew and then turns into gum? Oh my gosh, in the blue packaging, you guys know what I'm talking about. What's it called? That's what this smells like. That's exactly what this smells like. I used to get that all the time. Me and my little brother would go to Walgreens and pick up some of those every week, and that's what this smells like. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. The candy that I'm talking about. 90s babe right here. 90s baby. Yeah, even kind of tastes like it a little bit. Maybe if I put on this lip gloss on top. Reef by Maybelline. These are the Lifter Gloss. These are really good glosses, by the way. I've been obsessed with them. Okay, so this is how my look ended up turning out. I actually really love it, and I love how long my lashes are looking. Have you guys noticed at all? Let me know down below. I've noticed a lot, but I have been using this for a while, and I am obsessed with it. And I don't like that because it's Charlotte Tilbury, so it's expensive, and I feel like there's just a lot of expensive foundations that I just love, and I know you guys want me to do more drugstore affordable videos. So I'm definitely gonna try. If there's anything affordable drugstore that you want me to try, comment down below. But if you've been wondering about this, I actually do really like it. I like the glow it gives. It's really pretty and I'm digging it. So, but talking about affordable, this brand Alter Ego is super affordable, and their eyeshadow palettes, I've tried 3 now from them, and they're really good. If you want something like this, I love that there's like mauve, cooler cranberries, but then there's like these pops of like gold and like this peachy coppery gold. It's really pretty. I like that. As you saw, I didn't really wet my brush whenever I did this eyeshadow look, and I think it turned out really, really beautiful. So I totally love this palette. So I give this palette 100 out of 100 because it's really, really good. I will leave links down below, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I'm super excited to start doing more videos for you guys. I am gonna be doing like a Mother's Day beauty gift idea video. If you guys are excited for that, smash that like button. But yeah, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.